Hi, I'm John Rowland with Highland Park Lapidary. It's early morning here in China, getting ready to start our day, but I was going to give you guys a little tour of what we're working on right now. Right now, we just finished up the welding on a couple of 36 inches that need to go out with powder coat. And I got a couple of 36Ds over here. I just got a bunch of C8s ready to assemble. There's another 36D, another 36 and a drop saw, more C8s. And then down here, I've got some big vibratory tumblers I'm getting ready to put into test. And I got a special converter for those that will allow me to let you run a three-phase motor on a single-phase circuit, so anybody can run these in their garage or their shop in the US. They're a really cool industrial tumbler, but got to have that converter. Bunch of high-tone trays that are ready to go for powder, and these are the arbor assemblies, just came back from powder. I got more trays ready for powder here. Bunch of stuff getting ready to go to the US. I'm about ready to ship a container. And we got a nice stack of high-tone 10s that are ready for final grinding. More trays, those are ready for powder. And then I got a bunch of tanks that just came in from bending that are going to go to welding here next. PT motor plates, and the rest of the 10s. And then I got some carriages for high-tone 14s, I believe. And here we're building just a few low-speed spear machines, or what we call the standard speed. And then we got some BWs here about ready to go in the crates. Let's wander back in here, see what's going on. Got a few Evercleans. These are 220 volts, and in here we've got more low-speed sphere machines that are, looks like they're ready for final packaging. We're probably testing today and then final packaging. And here looks like we have some more low-speed sphere machines. This is one of our most popular machines. A lot of people like to get it to start with, and then they'll discover how much they love sphere cutting, and they'll get one of our high-speed machines. And this works really great as a companion to the high-speed machine, because you can do your final polish on this at a lower speed, and all your grinding and pre-polish are done on the high-speed machine, and it's super fast. I got a couple of stainless steel saws that I've been dragging my butt on to get them done. Those are gonna get pulled out here real soon. 3 16-inch saws. These are 220 models, going to somewhere in Europe or Saudi Arabia or something like that. Some high-tone 14s that are just about ready to ship. And then we got an army of the PTs that we just got onto the floor. Oh, there's a couple of 24s that are almost done. I'm waiting on motor mounts for those. And then down here we've got 6 of the shaping machines that are just getting wrapped up. We just crated up a bunch of stuff here. A couple of 20-inch left. One of them's need the vise put together. The other one I think is ready for test. And then this is some stuff that's crated and ready to go in a container. And what else I got? Oh, there's more C8 stuff. I just got a bunch of motors in, so that's good. But that just gives you a little feel for what's in the pipe right now, and getting ready to get our day started.